Okay, okie dokie. So everyone, we are looking at three things today. All right. Questions 1 to 8 would be grammar close, and then we are looking at vocabulary close, and lastly, we're looking at composition. All right. So just to let you know, Xander, the rest should know now, but you, for the lessons here, right, we provide you with an opportunity to actually practice the questions first before you come for the class. And then when you come, you can verify why your answer was correct, and then I will explain it as well. Or if it was wrong, then you can see why you got it wrong too, right? And what clues you should be looking out for in the surrounding area. So it's always a good idea if you join this class full time to do the online practice first. All right, but then again, it's not compulsory. Uh, today Clarice, Sanvi, and Zoe did it only. Siyu didn't, and then we have who's coming in now? Someone coming in. Clarice, yes, Clarice is here, and someone else as well. Catherine is here. Cat, she's calling herself Cat the Furry. Yep. So now, as we get to know each other, we'll realize that Catherine always associates herself with a cat. Hello, Cat the Furry. You have a very strong muscular chest for your background. Okay. Hi, Clarice. Welcome to the class. Hello, hello. All right. So today we are lesson 32. Okay. Just make sure that you are the correct lesson. Whoops. Oh, why does it keep doing that? All right. Lesson 32. All right. Moving on. Moving on. So, usual thing, everyone. Remember to leave your video on. That's the one that it's very important. And then leave your microphone muted unless you have something to say. If that's the case, then raise your hand. All right, and wait for me to give you permission to unmute yourself first before you speak. If you need to go for a toilet break, right, everyone, I don't think some of you realize this yet. If you need to go to the toilet break, you do not need to raise your hand. Just in the chat group, just say, Mr. Joel, I need to go to the toilet. I will say, okay, go, and then you just go, and then you come back as soon as you can. All right, and be respectful to everyone. Moving on. All right, so first, we're looking at grammar close, set 1. All right, the good thing about grammar close is you get helping words. Oh, you just did the worksheet, Xander. Oh, very good. So if you just did the worksheet, give me a second while I get the latest results from the website. Because if you just did the worksheet, right, it wouldn't be reflected on my copy. I downloaded my copy like half an hour ago. Just download it again. There we go. And is Xander here? Do I see your results here? Yes, there we go, Xander. I see your answers as well. Excellent. Okay. So let's go. Let's have a look. Grammar close set 1. So normally for grammar close, the good news is they give you helping words. Okay, but the bad news is not all of the helping words need to be used. In this case, we have 6 different helping words, A, B, C, D, E, F, but we only have 4 blanks. Let's see. Oh, whoops. Yeah, we only have 4 blanks. So therefore, 2 of the helping words are actually fake. They are there to confuse you. All right, you got to be very careful with this. So remember for this, right, it's quite straightforward. Whenever you use a word, remember to cancel it in the helping box area, as usual. All right. And then when you write a word down, right, please circle why you wrote that word down as well. What clues in the passage actually tells you that that's the best word. So let's have a look at this one. John and Mary were having dinner while blank were eating. So over here, the answer is obviously right, which is they. Now, how do we know it's they? Because John and Mary, right? So it's more than one. They were eating. And this is also the position of the subject of the sentence as well. So we need to use they. We can't say them, right? Them were eating? No, while they were eating. All right, so something like that. So I would like everyone to give me their answers as well. Thank you, Catherine, for giving me yours. For those of you who have not given it to me online, all right, give me the answer for number 2. Catherine has given me the answer for number 2. I would just need, whose answer now? Siyu. I would just need Siyu's answer. And Sanvi has given me hers. That's okay. I see yours online. Clarice as well. I can see yours online. All right, so far, Catherine is correct. The rest of you are correct as well. And Catherine is trying to be funny because she's giving me the third answer and I haven't even gone to the third question yet. But yes, Catherine, number 3 for the third answer, right? Oh, you actually are not correct for that. All right, so the next one, yes, okay. Siyu has answered, and I think everyone can agree, right, that that's the correct answer. But what is the clue here? What do you look at to determine that question 2, the answer is A? Why is it A? What's the clue? Can someone tell me what's the clue here that tells us it must be her? Who is this her referring to? Yes, Clarice is correct. No, Xander. Her is not referring to a mother's birthday. Her is referring to the mother, right? Birthday is not a person. We can't say her referring to the birthday. Her refers to their mother. Okay? So shall we make her a card for her birthday? Yep. Now, next one for question 3. Mary thought it was a good idea. After dinner, they took a piece of paper and drew a picture of their mother receiving a bouquet of flowers from who? Oh, here comes Nicole. From who? So question 3, Catherine has answered. That's correct. Sanvi and Clarice are correct. Yeah, you got it correct online already. Waiting for Siyu's answer for question 3 here. And Nicole has just joined us. Hi, Nicole. Hello. Yes, you have to turn your camera on. I saw you just now. You can't pretend that the camera is not working. I saw you turn it on. Okay. Question 3. Okay, Siyu is correct. All right. So Nicole, we are at the first grammar close. All right, the first grammar close. And we are doing question 3 right now. Okay. Okay, so question 3, everyone agrees. The answer is C. Them. The answer is C. Them. Okay, so why did we use them over here? Which part of the story actually give us the clue that them is the best answer? Testing, Nicole, can you hear me? Am I too soft? Testing, can you hear me, Nicole? 1 2 1 2 3. 1 2 1 2. Hold on. Can you hear me now? Maybe turn up the volume. Okay, so Siyu and Xander can hear me, so Nicole should be the speaker on your side. Oh, thank you. Totally. Xander told me totally can hear me. All right. Siyu says the answer for question 4 is something. I'm not going to reveal it. Siyu is correct. Sanvi and Xander have replied as well. So have Zoe. Yes, all of you are right. But my original question is, why did we choose them for question 3? Which parts actually give us a clue that the answer is them? Yes, very good. All right, they. So they took a piece of paper and drew a picture of them, right? Mother receiving a bouquet of flowers from them. Good. And then everyone has agreed that the last question here, the answer is B, including Cat the furry. All right, their father saw the card and thought, B is it. What does the it here refer to, boys and girls? Can someone tell me? So you have annotation rights on my screen. You can just underline for me on my screen, or you can let me know in the chat. Right, Catherine is correct. Okay, it's the card. So it over here refers to the card. Since the card is not a human, we can't say him or her, right? We say it. So the birthday card. Right, it was very well drawn. John and Mary were very pleased. Oh, Xander cannot see the annotations on the screen. Okay, let me just stop the share again. And let me share it again. See what happens. Can you see it now? No? Huh? Can the rest of you see the annotations on the screen? You can? How am I going to work that out? Let's see. How can I change this? I am sharing screen too. It was the same for your previous live session. Oh. Okay, so I'm not sure what the issue is, Xander, but it's definitely on your end. Maybe it's the device you're using or the computer, because the rest of the students are telling me they can see the things I'm writing. So whatever that I'm explaining, right, I will say it out. So you take it as, you imagine that I'm writing something there first, okay? And then maybe you can try using your mom's laptop or maybe your dad's laptop for the next live lesson. And these are the, by the way, these are the answers here. All right, they, her, them, and it. So we are correct. Next. So these are all very easy ones over here. All of these, right? Her, they, it, us, them, we. What kinds of words are these? What kind of category of words are these? When we look at them, all right, we actually call them we actually call them pronouns, right? Pronouns. So pronouns include all your subjective pronouns. So just a very quick run through. Subjects are the ones that do the action. Why isn't the thing working again? All right, so subjects are the ones performing the action or actions, and objects are the one receiving the actions. Okay, so in this sense, we have our subjective pronouns that always are normally at the front of a sentence. So they are your he, she, they, it, he, she, they, it, and your I. Then we have your objective pronouns. Him, her, them, it, me. Then of course we have the possessive pronouns, which are the ones that show us that the pronouns actually own something. So possessive means you own something, huh? So that is his pencil. All right, that is her pencil. That is their pencil. That is its tail. That is my whatever, my book.